Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the MTN 8, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. I'm joined by We Talk Football SA. Before it's still, number one.
Yeah.
Well done. I said at We Talk Football SA.
Yes, Papa.
Just before the World Cup, I said,
Yes, Papa.
Amafenzu to TV is the best thing to have happened to South African football in the past 20 or 30 years. So well done. You brought the storm to the World Cup. Yes. Number two. People were criticizing Mbata. Mbata, sometimes as a player, he thinks different to how we think.
Yes.
He was busy. He delays the ball when he has to,
Yes.
and then he passes it quickly when he has to.
Yes.
Number three, Kampani Lung, it's like he has been at Pirates for so many years.
Yeah.
But it's only his second or first game. I'm not sure because I didn't watch the game last week.
Yes.
I was at a funeral.
First game.
Yes. Then Kabelo Khositsile is a gem.
Jersey number 49.
I felt Mremi should have been taken off instead of Apollos, but the coach knows better, and Apollos was keeping position and was trying to attack to those guys.
Yes.
Durban City is a great team. They did so well. Tabono Tata was brilliant. Even number 9, Unchebe.
Yeah.
Chevelo Chiefs, Chiefs deployed their players there to disturb Pirates in Morris and in Morris and Serino, yes. And I think they did very well. Serino as a half winger and even played part in playing that ball.
Yes.
There is something that people are going to see in Zulu. He's so creative.
He is.
I can't be long. Congratulations, Orlando Pirates. But Durban City is gonna be a storm this season. They are a great team. I will talk more about them next time. Let's rush to Pretoria, guys. I love you, but I'm not sure.
Me too.